What's going on, guys? So if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Jules and we're going to be installing another part for the A-Gen Honda Civic Si. As you guys see in the title, I'm installing the dampeners. Today is supposed to rain. I don't know when, because if you guys can see the skies, you can see the clouds and blue skies, and I don't know when it's supposed to rain, but the sun is out. But this is the car's right here, looking nice, a little dirty from the pollen, but it's all good. In yesterday's video, I showed you guys the new fog lights, and I installed a new filter for the car, so pretty happy about that. Now today we are going to install the new hood dampener. Some people call it hood struts, and the ones that I went with are carbon fiber hood dampeners, or slash hood struts, if you guys want to call it that. So I ordered these from Zerg Industries. They make these hood struts in, I think, regular black, and then they make them in carbon fiber. I got the carbon fiber ones. Comes with a dampener, and then it comes with the brackets that you need, and this is for lubing this part up that goes up and down. And then it comes with instructions. Instructions are pretty straightforward, not hard at all. As you guys can see, it shows you which way, left, right of the hood. Pretty simple. So I'm gonna show you guys that today. So that's everything for the install. So let's start the car up, back it out, and start the install. Also, I want to put a disclaimer out there, and I've messaged other people that have the same carbon fiber hood dampeners or hood struts, whatever you guys want to call them. And as you see for number 4, it says, please do not install heightened or other materials of hoods, heightened or other materials of hoods such as carbon fiber hoods, etc. So I've hit up other people that had hood dampeners with carbon fiber hoods, and they said they have not had any problems with it. So also the guy with the FD2 that has the carbon fiber FD2 hood, he also had hood dampeners on there, and he has no problems opening up the hood. So just giving you guys a precaution and disclaimer so you guys can see. But these are the instructions, and pretty straightforward, not hard at all. Cool, just a nice little air out for you guys. I know you guys like that. Definitely smash the like button for that. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood. And one main reason why I definitely wanted to get these hood dampeners or slash hood strut was because of this thing right here with the Vis Racing RR carbon fiber hood. So one thing that's a pain in the butt and it doesn't hold, and I'll show you guys, is when you put it in the hole right here, as you guys can see, it does not fit. Even the hole that they made, it does not fit. You could cut out a bigger hole, but that's gonna be tedious and a pain in the butt to just keep cutting it to get to the exact fitment, and it's gonna look terrible. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's gonna look terrible, and it doesn't fit in the hole, and it doesn't hold. So I've been going to different places, or I gotta pop my hood, and I just put it like this, and it looks whack and terrible, and the car, it just looks like that, which is a pain in the butt, and it doesn't look as great. So today we are going to put in the new hood dampeners slash hood struts. So definitely wanted to get this, especially for this hood right here, the carbon fiber hood. Definitely wanted to upgrade that. Makes your job easier to work on. I know you guys saw the video we installing the hood dampeners or hood struts on this car, the GT350, but now we're going to do it on this car. And yesterday I noticed that In the previous video, the last car meet video I did, I saw the guy with the FD2, Miguel. He recently just told me he installed his hood dampeners on his car, which they look pretty dope. And he just opened up the hood and it just opens with no problem. So gotta love that. So got all my stuff I needed here, my tools, my Phillips flathead, and I laid out all of the brackets that I need. I laid all the brackets. Now I'm gonna take out the carbon fiber dampeners. What you guys are gonna need is a flathead, a Phillips screwdriver, and a 10mm to take the bolt off from the top of the hood. And when you mount the brackets, they're gonna look something like this. So this side is gonna be up, this side is gonna be down, same thing, vice versa. All right, guys, so the first thing you gotta do is take off these two bolts I have on each side right here. I actually had these bolts on from my hood bra and my whole front end bra, and I just left these bolts on here. So I just kept these bolts there. So right now I'm gonna use a Phillips to take them off. Two clips up here, one by the washer. I know it's kind of hard to see, but there's one flathead clip that goes right here, and it just pops out. Clip pops out just like that. And then there's another clip up here that you just stick a flathead underneath and it just pops out. So clip number 2 pops out just like that, and then this whole piece will come off. Yep, this whole piece will come off like that. Another Phillips. Comes right off. Damn, of course the clip wants to go flying, but clips out. So it seems like to be able to take this whole thing out, there's another one up here. There's another clip right here. So this just pulls out, and then there's, I guess, one on each side that's holding this together still. So all right, guys, if you guys have these clips, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a line in the middle of this clip. So all you got to do is face it straight like this and then pull up. These clips kind of have like this like spinal cord thing to them, so you gotta have to like flip it there, and then it just pulls right up. So these clips might be a pain in the butt, but this should just slide right out just like this with no problem. And this side is out, so just like that. One side is out. Put it over here, and the other side should do the same thing. Just slide right out. Probably have to push this back some, push it out of there, and this should just slide out the same way, and this should be able to come out. So as you guys can see, this is the right side of the hood. We're gonna take this board off. Just put the bracket just like this. As you guys can see, it should look something just like this. Alright guys, so where it clips into the bracket, you gotta take this little thing out first. So you take it off, and then you pull it out of this little hole that's on there, and it comes right out. Take this bracket, you put it between here just like this. As you guys can see, the bracket looks like that, and then you screw it back in. These little pins that's around here, they need to come off, so you clip it off, and then it just slides right out just like that. Here's the pin, here's the strut. This side just clips in just like that, and then as you come down here, you put it like this. You put just like that. I know they make like dresser bolts for this car, so if you decide that you want to dress the bolts up, you can. So the washer As you guys can see, I put another nut underneath here that holds this in place. Get a Phillips to hold this in place, and then you got that nut that's underneath here, and you just stick it underneath here and tighten it up. This little piece back in there, and it just slides in there. Just like that. And then this side, and then it clips in like that. This side in, I know I still gotta put the other plastic piece, but I'm gonna show you guys. I put this side in, this side is in, this side is in now. So both sides are in. Gotta cut it so it could be able to fit the bracket and everything. For this part, you're gonna need some glasses and you're gonna need a Dremel to Dremel out that one piece. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna put my glasses on, safety first. Alright, so the clip that was here, I decided to cut it off. So when it's time to take off the front bumper, I don't have to take off the whole bracket and everything. It just pulls back. I just take these two clips out right down there and pull this whole thing out, and then get to the bolts that's hold the front bumper on there. So this is the passenger side, and this is how much I cut, and that's how much I cut from the inside of the original hole from right there. So all right, so I had to cut it more like a C, the same one for the driver's side. So I just cut it more as a C so I can have some more play and tighten up the nut. All right guys, so this is how it looks with the plastic trim back on. As you guys can see, whatever cuts you make, you cannot even barely see none of the cuts, or really even notice that there was a cut there. Same thing with this side, you can barely see that there's a cut there. So all that trimming you did at the bottom of there, you're not even gonna see. So you're not even gonna tell a difference compared to OEM. Lift up on the lever, and that's just like that. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. And it just sits like that. Perfect. And got kind of like this carbon fiber weave to it on the sides, each side. It looks really dope. Looks really dope. Alright guys, that's it for the video. If you like this video, definitely smash the like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, because there's more mods for this car. Oh my god, so many mods coming. Just day by day, time by time. Hopefully the weather holds up. It's been raining like freaking all week, and it's raining again this whole week again. But more mods are on the way. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell to be notified on new videos on the way. And if there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step forward toward your goals every single day, and make it happen. Peace. Also, so in the last video, I also said that since we just hit 2K subscribers, that I was going to be picking 2 people for the giveaway, and then for the actually am doing a third giveaway. I decided to do another giveaway because I was just going to do a 2K 2 giveaway for hitting 2K subscribers, but I actually did a third giveaway as well. So the first place winner is going to be TJ Jenkins. He's always the first person commenting on all the videos, liking the videos, sharing the videos, and always continuing to show love and support. And the second person is going to be Mumble. Mumble's always showing love and support, liking the videos, and commenting the videos on all the videos, and continuing to show love and support. So I want to say definitely thank you, and I appreciate all the love and support. So now we are about to pick the third group of people who entered for the giveaway, and I'm about to click pick one, and all of them follow the rules of putting Evil Street Shark Fam in the comment box below on the last video. So I'm about to pick the winner, and the winner is, where's the winner? There we go. Jesus Hairstyles. Congratulations to Jesus Hairstyles for winning the third giveaway. So go ahead and hit me up on Instagram to be able to get your giveaway. So I want to say thank you for everyone that's been showing love and support. I appreciate it. And when we hit 3K, I'll be doing another giveaway. So stick around for 3K subscribers and continue to show love and support. I appreciate all of it. So continue to like the videos, comment on the videos, and share the video if you guys can. Thank you guys. I appreciate it.